Guys, this is Erin from Doug and Erin. We're out here at Indian Springs walking on one of the trails. And I was actually just wondering whether you're a walker, a hiker, any kind of movement enthusiast. What is your go-to on your playlist? What kind of songs you put? Mine ranges anywhere from Motley Crue to Judy Garland to Clay Walker. So I just was listening to my music and I was wondering what you guys listen to too. Don't forget, go outside.
All right, as we go through here, this is where I was talking about the roots. Look at how rooty this is right here. Now we can handle it on foot because we're hiking. But if you're on a bike, I don't understand how you're getting over that without crashing. This whole area, as you're coming up on Dawson Trails, about 1.5 miles from Dawson Trails, it gets very rooty and very rocky. See here. Very pretty out here though. We're back out on the trail with the water. We're by the water again. More rocks.
What do you see up there, Doug?
Home.
How do you feel? What?
I feel like I just walked 7 miles.
7 miles and 7.76.
8 miles.
We round up here on Doug and Erin Go Outside.